This is a video of my exhaust. Headers on it. I don't have a full cat back. I don't have the resonator on there, so just the headers, 4.5 inch, and then I have piping, cat, and then 4.5 inch exhaust muffler, the tip. So I'm gonna let y'all hear what that sound like. I don't think the last test it was good enough, so there it is. And it's a cold start. As you can see, it's pretty loud. No silencer. Shout out to the guy that said I had a silencer on it last time. I don't have a silencer. It's loud as shit. It's fucking big as fuck. Make sure y'all follow that, bang bang. B20 quarter intake headers. And just so y'all know, if you get the chrome headers off eBay, they are gonna turn this color. So yeah, I heard a lot of headers turn that color anyway. It looks kind of cool. So yeah, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Shout out to my tuners. Shout out to the muscle cars, all y'all. Yeah, and I'm out.